Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to check if a number is even or odd using JavaScript. This is a very common beginner programming problem and it helps you to understand conditions and operators in JavaScript. So the very first step, we are going to create a function called even odd. And we are going to pass a parameter called num. And inside the function, we are going to start with the if-else condition. So if this number is completely divided by 2, meaning if the remainder is 0, so we'll console it to be and even. And else we'll console it to be an odd number. So this was the function definition. Here we're calling this function, let's suppose 9. And if we try to run this file, we get as odd. And if we put an even number, we get an even. And that is how you can check whether a number is even or odd in JavaScript. If you found this helpful, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorial. Thank you for watching.